I have VIVO Y83 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and wait a couple of seconds. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. And release both keys as soon as fast boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let me choose recovery mode right here and let's wait a few seconds until the VIVO Recovery Mode pops up. That's it, this is the VIVO Recovery Mode. Here you can also navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key, or you can simply navigate here by tapping the appropriate options. Let's choose here wipe data and select here wipe cache partition. Type wipe cache partition again just to confirm the operation and tap OK to do it. That's it, now you can choose back and select here reboot system. The device is restarting into the normal mode. And that's it, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.